guys, it's Amanda. I have a very interesting video planned for you today. The movie Birdbox came out, I don't know how long ago. I wasn't really paying attention. I have not seen it, but I have seen that there are a lot of these Birdbox challenges going on around YouTube right now where people are doing stupid things and trying to live their life blindfolded. I figured I would jump on the bandwagon, and I decided I'm going to try and paint my nails blindfolded. I paint my nails all the time, so I don't think it'll be that bad. I think any art I try and do will probably be bad. So I've got a little camera set up here on my phone so that you can see the carnage that's happening on my nails. And I'm gonna have to take off this really pretty nail art that I did for a mani swap on Instagram. I would definitely go check it out because the other girl nailed it. Alright, let me lube them up first. They're so pretty, I really don't want them to go. I'm not going to do this part blindfolded because I don't want to stab myself. You do realize that I'm going to be able to hear you crocheting back there. It's very distracting.
Can you actually hear that on the snowball though?
Oh, over on the computer? Probably not. I'm just saying I can hear it.
Okay. I can hear you.
You saying I'm distracting? The correct answer is only in the best ways, babe.
Crickets. Crickets. Crickets.
This is also kind of like a warm-up, you know? I don't really know how this is going to turn out. This is going to be I feel like it's going to be a really big mess. Okay, perfect. We're all clean, fresh, and I think ready to go. Now I need my blindfold. Darling, would you like to do the honors?
Well, I can do a gag as well.
Alright. Ow!
What?
First of all, you gotta get it past the ponytail. Oh my god.
What?
It's just funny. Alright. Alright, first problem okay, I can still see out through here. So can you hit me like 2 cotton balls? Oh, it worked! Okay, cool. Alright, I really can't see. Do I look ridiculous?
I mean, yes.
Alright, so, well, first I need to do my base coat. Let me just see if I can find it. That's you. Pepper? Hi!
Nope.
Who is this?
Who's got the softer fur?
Oh, it's Sadie! Oh, well, I guess that's proof I can't see. Okay. Guide my hand. No. Oh, God. There it is.
That was the first one you said no to.
Oh. So first I need to do my peel off base coat. Am I even close? Oh, okay, here we go.
Yeah, the first ones were on paper.
Alright. Oh my god. This is so hard. Oh my god, I didn't know it would be this hard. I gotta like... Oh wait. Okay, so I guess I'm doing this finger next. I know I didn't do my middle finger yet. Alright, so now I gotta let that dry. Should I try and pick my own colors?
No.
How about you pick my colors?
Alright.
And I have no idea at all what you are giving me. I just have to...
I get free reign?
You get free reign. You can use any color and whatever you think would look really pretty on me.
And close.
Alright, well I know what brand it is, so that's nice at least. Alright, so the peel off base coat is dry. I'm gonna start over here. Okay. Oh, I got that one, like, right on the nail. Right?
Not terrible.
Yeah? It's actually looking alright?
Alright.
I feel like as I get to the littler fingers, it's gonna start getting a little rough because the canvas is smaller. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a mess. Wait, no. I can't get it in right now. I can't get it back in the bottle. Based off of the shape of the bottle, I'm gonna say that this is green. But don't confirm it. I want to be surprised. But I think this is the green one. We'll see. Okay. Do you think it needs another coat?
Another coat wouldn't hurt.
Yeah? Okay.
If we're doing like a serious nail thing.
Yeah, alright. So then maybe I should do another coat. Felt like cold sadness being brushed on my hand. I'm not even bothering wrapping the tips for this. I really don't think I'm gonna want a long-lasting manicure tonight. Or I don't know, maybe I'll be like starting a trend. Instead of the chipped look, it's the painting outside the lines look. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, my eye is watering so bad under here. I think I want to try nail vinyls. So I need a top coat.
Up.
Up.
That's the big one.
This is the one. Everything's still okay? Is everyone still there? Here's my glossy top coat. Alright, let's try some nail art. That's liquid latex. There's no point. There is no point. Oh, wait. I got a dotting tool. Is this the next color?
No.
What is this? Oh, is this a base coat? So I'm gonna put it. Oh, shoot. I just touched my nail. I'll put it in a minute. Oh, God. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
So
That's what's gonna ruin it. That's really gonna ruin it.
If this doesn't work, then I'm just gonna go ahead and try and take it off, like right off the brush. Am I in it? Am I picking anything up?
Right. No, too far right.
Alright, so I'm gonna do like little dotted hairs. I can't find my finger! Where is it? Oh my god. I swear. Oh my god. Wait, what if I... There we go. Yeah. This isn't cheating. My depth perception is just awful. Yeah, that'll be pretty. Alright, give me another color. I don't even know why you're sitting and relaxing. You need... I
don't know what you're doing. I'm hoping to have 2 seconds of peace and quiet.
I think you lost that 2 seconds of peace and quiet when we got married. Ooh, I know. Here's what'll be fun. Give me one of those striping bottles. We're gonna try... Let's do an X. Sorry. Am I doing it? Feels like I did it. Alright. I think I did it. Okay. This one dry yet, you think? I'm gonna try using a nail vinyl. I don't think I'm gonna be able to... Hang on. I can try. I don't know how I'm gonna get it. Can you not get it up?
I got the big part up. It's the little part came with it. There.
So it's... I don't know if it's the right way, but... Okay. Oh my god, I have it sideways, don't I? Because it's like flopping off the edge, whatever this is. How about we do some, how about a hollow? Can we get a little hollow in here? Oh my god. This cotton ball is going to be like soaked with my tears.
At your failure. You're shook.
I'm shook. What am I doing to myself? Why am I torturing myself? I regret this nail vinyl. I don't want to do this anymore. Alright, here we go. How we looking? How's that look?
I'll let the results speak for themselves.
Oh god. Ooh, I know. Call me crazy.
You're crazy. Oh god, you are crazy.
Ha 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 ha. Wait, where did that... Okay, there's a hollow. And then that's top coat. I'm gonna keep that right here.
What are you looking for?
The base color.
Nope.
We're gonna do a gradient. Dab, 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 dab. There we go. Beautiful. Oh crap, did I knock something over?
It's fine. It's closed.
Okay. This is really stressful. Now we are going to finish them all off with a beautiful glossy top coat to make it a shiny, long-lasting design. Wrap the tip. I feel like that was dry. Let's get a little more. Maybe because I painted it next to my finger and not actually on it. There we go. I think I'm done. Alright.
Drum roll?
Drum roll? Alright. It's stuck. Oh my god!
So you were dead on with the green, by the way.
Oh yeah, I knew it was that green.
Although for what it's worth, when you did your little spongy sponge there, you took the light green as your base coat color, but I wasn't gonna correct you because that's life. Show
You know?
off, babe.
Oh my god. I feel very sticky and I feel like there's cotton fuzzies attached to my eyelashes.
You also got some kunai, some.
Oh, my mascara. Oh well. Did I even get any of the hollow on this?
I don't know.
I don't think I did. What was the hollow that you chose? Oh, and it was so pretty too.
Well, you get your lightning bolt.
I got my... Oh god.
Striping and dotted cure.
Oh, I did it on the same nail? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Well, don't do the Birdbox challenge, kids. Oh wow, there really was cotton fuzz. Alright, well, that was fun. Why do I do this to myself? It's so bad. Wow. That felt so wrong.
So I'd say you're at about 50%.
50? That's
50%.
still a solid F. It's a look, I guess. I won't be posting this finished look probably on Instagram. Alright, well, oh, I didn't do my thumb. I forgot.
It's the only one that survived.
It's the 4 out of 5 nails that go through the Birdbox challenge die. So let that be a lesson. Don't do the Birdbox challenge. Stupid. Alright, well, that was the Birdbox challenge. I paint my nails blindfolded. So if you want to see me do more stuff like this, go ahead and leave a comment below so that I can reply no. Alright, well,
What if I do your nails blindfolded?
if you do my nails blindfolded, you wouldn't hurt.
It might improve it.
It might improve. Alright guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Like this video, comment on this video, do whatever. Oh no, I gotta take this off. Oh my god. Alright guys, until next time, see ya. Let's try it. Let's see. Is it still recording? I mean, I'm curious now as to whether this is gonna come off. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god, did I even put a peel off base coat under this one? What is this? Oh my god, I just can't. This is why nobody ever shows the cleanup. It's worse than the application.